Howdy doody buckaroonies. You know, I'm out here with my dude Davis, and then Dad's down there walking down to the pond at the same place we were in the last video down in Crete. Just gonna do the same thing we did. Hopefully capitalize on some bass. It's gotten a lot hotter. It's like 80 degrees today, and it's super calm down here on the water. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the way down, and then we're gonna get back to it. So I'm throwing the black and blue chatterbait, 3/8 ounce on the Abu Garcia with I think it's 12-pound test braid. It's just same thing that I've been throwing. Hopefully we can get another bass to come up and eat. Oh, Dad's hooked on a big one. Is it fighting? Or are you snagged? False alarm.
Different times throughout the day in New York. 51 doctors.
I got one.
I just caught a fish. Yeah, about 1.5 pounds.
If that.
2-pound bass.
Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah. Just a little nice fish. Same bait as yesterday, just that 3/8 ounce chatter. And get him unhooked and then get a release on him. Get a little release on this guy. There he goes. Now let's get back to it. You back out there?
Fishing over in my damn area. That's
Just switched it up to this color chatterbait. Some brown, black, and yellow because the other one got snagged and snapped off, but pretty sure the dark presentation is what has them today because Dad and Davis are both throwing white, but we'll see. Get one? I think so.
It's not reeling.
Hand line it. Are you on one or are you stuck? Oh, is that's the one?
I think that's really pretty shallow.
Yeah. All right, well, we haven't really caught anything since that first bath. Dad went down there, caught a little bluegill, but it wasn't on video. Didn't take a picture of it, so I don't know if he really caught it or not. But we're about to make a money move, hopefully, to this other private pond closer to Lincoln. But I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll get to it. Go ahead. back at it. Instead of going to that private pond that I was talking about, we went over to Holmes Lake. It's a little public lake within city limits of Lincoln. Got my fly fishing pole. It's pretty windy. Hopefully it might die down a little bit. I'm gonna try to fly fish in this little place. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's pretty shallow, so hopefully we can get something to come up and eat. That's what we're working with. Got this fly fishing pole, fluger, and just this little dry fly. Got some geese over there too, but this water's pretty shallow, pretty clear too. Hopefully we can get this fly out there and get some fish to eat today. Switch back to the bait caster because it's too windy for the fly fishing right now. Didn't catch anything at Holmes Lake, just gonna call it a day, but had a pretty successful day. Caught that one bass. Dad caught that bluegill, but we'll be out probably tomorrow or sometime soon. Go drop out.